Like we are live, and let me try to get the camera somewhat centered here. Thanks everyone for joining. My name is DeGreen. I work for Costa Rica Real Estate Service. We are located in beautiful Costa Rica, Dominical, Costa Rica. We cover a pretty large geographical area from Jaco down to the Osa Peninsula. So most of the central and southern Pacific coast, we help find buyers some beautiful properties. So we are located today up in Platanillo. Platanillo is perfectly located, in my opinion, right from the about 15 minutes from Dominical. Dominical is this wonderful little bohemian surf town, lots of great restaurants, nightlife, and then food markets. So it's perfect, great surfing. And this is one of my favorite areas. I tend to live actually only a few minutes away. We're at about 1,180 feet above sea level. So in just a short period of time, we gain a lot of elevation, which helps keep this area just a little bit cooler. Right now, we're getting this wonderful breeze, and we're in the transition period right now. We're going between rainy season, or from dry season to rainy season. And this house is perfectly located to watch those wonderful storms. In fact, we'll show you one a little bit later. But let's go ahead and let's start off. We're going to wander around to the front of the house. I kind of started out on the patio, but like I said, this house is located just outside of Platanillo, which is 15 minutes from Dominical, up Highway 243, which is on the way to one of the larger cities in Costa Rica called San Isidro. Two-wheel drive access. You're on a paved road all the way up here, and then there's only about a 3-minute drive down a dirt road, and it's a city maintained or publicly maintained road. So it makes it very easy to access either with a two-wheel drive vehicle, although we do recommend a four-wheel drive just so you can explore Costa Rica. I'm going to switch the camera around here. Okay, so you can see kind of the driveway coming up to the house. There's actually a nice little area over here for a guest house or a workshop. Then you've got this gravel driveway that welcomes you into the front door. So as we turn around and come towards the house, we are greeted with this custom laurel wood door, kind of a unique feature. This is what's wonderful about here. We have some local artisans, and this is a local hardwood called laurel, and it's a nice big kind of door and a half, not quite a double door, but a nice big door. Lets you take advantage of the breezes and gives you this nice entry into the house. Once we come in, we are greeted with the kitchen. Full granite countertops, brand new appliances, all stainless steel appliances. I don't know if you can tell on video, but this granite actually has a little bit of color in it. It's kind of like this little purple. Just kind of breaks it up, makes it look very unique. Again, all custom laurel cabinets, laurel wood hardwoods. Frigidaire 6-burner stove. We find that most people use gas, and it's just a gas system where you fill up you go to the local store and get a new tank. And stainless steel double door GE fridge. These are, again, like I said, laurel wood, but they also put the nice soft close mechanisms on all the doors. So no clanking in the morning when you're making your coffee. This house comes fully furnished. So basic turnkey. You can come in with your luggage and move right in. As we go from the kitchen, we have this nice big dining table, glass top dining table, room for 6. What's great is it's actually indoor-outdoor material. So if you wanted to, you could take this right out to the patio and enjoy dinner out under the stars. All porcelain tile floors. Also helps it give that indoor-outdoor feel, which people really love here in Costa Rica. From the dining area, we come over here to the living room. All Ashley furniture. So real nice furniture package that comes with the house. That's actually a custom made Guanacaste tree table. So this is the national tree of Costa Rica, the Guanacaste tree. In the back, on the back wall, oops, sorry guys, 2 large windows to help with airflow. And then they put this large custom mirror, which helps give you a 2-sided view from out front there. So you can actually start to see that. That's the view. We got a storm coming in right now. So when you get bored, if you ever would get bored of this amazing view out the patio, out over the pool, there is a custom entertainment center built out of cedar. Has a 65-inch TV. TV's on actually what do you want to call it? A bracket, so you can actually move it out and change the location of it a little bit, so you can see it from anywhere you want. And it leads out, like I said, to these very large. I'm going to back up. You've got over 23 feet of doors, and they open up that whole section. Lots of airflow. It stays nice and cool up here. You have 2 ceiling fans above here just to keep the airflow. I didn't mention this before, I forgot. This is one of the main structural beams, and it's capped in this beautiful wood with the light fixtures in there, so it just gives it a little bit of an accent. We'll go out to the patio here in a minute. Before I do, I also wanted to show you this. This is one of my favorite features. These are really good, high quality aluminum doors. They also put the pocket screens in. What's great about these is they completely hide out. You can't even tell they're there. They don't obstruct the view at all. But in the evenings, right around sunset, when we might get a few little flying critters around, you can still enjoy the airflow and the wonderful views. So that's a real nice feature. And it's just a magnet that holds them together. Off to the right of the living room is this very large master suite. I believe it's it's 270 square feet, I believe. That's a full king-size bed with plenty of room on each side for extra furniture or chairs or whatever you'd like to put in here. 2 large views as well. So you have a view out to the pool, and then you also have the valley view out there as well. On the opposite wall here, again, Laurel wood cabinets, his and hers. Perfectly sized for a Costa Rican wardrobe. We don't need any winter coat storage in the house, so don't need all that extra space that you might need somewhere else in the up north. But nice big cabinets or closet space, and it's kind of a his and hers. So that's really nice to have. Again, the custom Laurel wood doors. In the master bath, they put a really cool slider. You have a double vanity. These are actually imported Indonesian stone that's actually carved, one single piece carved into a sink with the Laurel cabinets down below. And just a huge space. One of my favorite features of this house is the showers. Big showers, but what they did is so you can even enjoy the view in the morning when you're getting up in the morning. This is I'm at just under 6 feet, and so this is right at my shoulder. So it's not gonna keeps your privacy, but still lets you enjoy the view while you're taking a shower. And real nice tile and stonework here. So I'm gonna back out here. I'm sorry. Still getting the hang of this little camera thing here, guys. So back through the living room. Oh, I didn't mention the hot water is actually all coming from a solar hot water system. It's basically a panel with its own tank. They work wonderfully. You don't use any power, keeps plenty of water hot all the time. I've used one before and I love it. They're one of the best ways for hot water. washer and dryer room. So could also be your cleaning closet, plenty of space. And we go into the second bedroom. Again, a very large space. This is a queen size bed. All the furniture, the TV stand and the beds are custom made as well. They're cedar. The bedrooms do have AC units, although you probably find you won't use them very often. It stays so cool up here. And then again, we have a double closet. Plenty of, let's see if I can get that better. Plenty of space. Okay. And then the final part of this, of the inside here, is the second bathroom. Again, one of the Indonesian carved sinks. Nice big shower. And again, you've got two large windows in this one here to keep you nice and keep the airflow going and then give this amazing view. And then the last thing we want to go out is enjoy the patio. We haven't been out there yet fully. All the outdoor patio space is using this Coralina, which is a great material. It's slip resistant, but it also stays very cool. So even when you're in the middle of the day, you can walk out here barefoot and don't burn your feet. So real nice, nice feature. We got a nice little drain system for the pool to keep it dry. Some outdoor furniture, again, indoor outdoor furniture. So you can use the space for, this is probably where you find you'll spend most of your time, is right out here. And this is actually gonna be kind of interesting. We're gonna see a little bit of storm clouds coming through here. So this is, I'd say 180 degrees plus of just unobstructed valley views. You've got all the mountains over there. That's the hills going over to San Isidro. So it's 1.6 acres. This is called the San Juan de Dios Valley. 1.6 acres. The property line, you can kind of see, I'm going to try to point it out here. This little ridge here with these, you see the posts going down. So it goes down this hill, which is perfect for anyone that wants to plant. If you want to do a little bit of your own farming, you'll see monkeys and toucans and sometimes even a sloth down here. And there's actually a river at the bottom of the property. So a little creek, I should say, a little creek that runs, I believe runs all year round. So you've got kind of a nice little, you can walk down there and enjoy the creek. Very good soil. Most of this stuff is was just planted. We're going into our rainy season right now, so the builder's actually going to be planting some more here in the next month or so, just kind of finishing it out. So this house quite literally was just finished. We just got the furniture in, or we just kind of, I saw the house for the first time furnished just a couple days ago. So brand new construction. No one's ever lived in it. It's turnkey, ready to go, and in a great location. What I'll do real quick is I'm going to show on a map, I'm going to show you quickly where we are, give you a little bit better understanding of our location here. So let's go on here. So like I said here, this is Google Earth. This is Costa Rica. We've got Nicaragua to the north and Panama to the south. Our office, I mean, we sell properties all up and down the coast, but majority of our properties are from right up in here all the way down to the Panama border. We have some properties down on the Osa. This property is right in the middle of everything here. It's up in Platanillo. You can see San Isidro up in the upper right corner. San Isidro is one of the largest cities in Costa Rica. Dominical, which is the beach town, which is right here. So from door to door, from the beach to this house takes about 18 to 19 minutes. I've done the trip several times. It's very quick. This is Platanillo here, which has some grocery stores, basic necessities. Then you also have farmers markets up in Tinamastes and in Dominical. So within 15 minutes, 20 minutes of this house, you've got just about everything you could want. San Isidro, maybe 25 minutes, you've got private hospitals, grocery stores, car dealerships, everything that you would need from a good sized city is right there, only 20 or 30 minutes away. But we feel, you can kind of see, we're kind of here in the jungle. So we're a lot of privacy, very safe, very quiet. You'll hear birds and animals, I think, in the background here, and that's kind of what you see. This is a very unique property, very great location. So, all right. If there's any other questions, I kind of think I've gone through everything there. I'll actually be posting this video up on YouTube as well. We wanted to kind of try this out, do a little bit of an open house. We're going to offer this on some very exclusive properties, things that we know we have. As you can tell, we actually have high-speed internet at this house as well, so it makes it easy for us to do kind of a virtual tour. And so just check out our website. Our website's down in the link below. My name, again, is Brett DeGreen. I work for Costa Rica Real Estate Service. Our office has been servicing this area for over 18 years now. We have amazing properties. We really know what we're doing, and we love helping people find their piece of paradise. So please contact us. Let us know if you'd like to see any other details about this house, or if you have questions about anything else on our website, please let us know. Talk to you soon.